Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Let's start by washing the aloe vera because I got it from my plant outside. After washing the aloe vera, we are going to cut it into 3 parts. 1, 2, and 3. Then we'll remove the spine from the aloe vera as shown in the video. This is to enable easy access to the gel. After removing the spines, the next step is to peel a thin layer of the green leaf from it. I try as much as possible to make sure that no gel goes with this part I cut off. So I cut them one piece at a time. Then with my knife, I easily remove the gel. I prefer using the knife because it is sharp and it gets the gel off at once, very easy. I cut from one side, then turn the aloe vera over and cut the other side. Voila, my gel comes out. This is it again. Cut from one side, then turn, cut from the other side, and it's so easy. After cutting my aloe vera, I put it into my blender and blend it as smooth as it can get. The next thing I do is to get a clean stocking. You can use a chiffon or you can use a light cloth. Whichever you have can be used. I use the stocking to separate the particle from the gel itself. Press it out with some pressure and the gel comes out. The particle is thrown away while the gel is used for the leave-in conditioner. This is the particle left to be thrown away. Next, we are going to put 3 spoons of shea butter into a bowl. That's 1. Enter, my friend. 1, 2, then 3. This is boiled water. Now we are going to pour some boiled water into this bowl, a clean bowl, and place our shea butter into the bowl of boiled water. We'll cover it up and leave it until it melts. I'm adding some more boiled water so that it will remain hot for a long time. Shea butter melts very fast. It took me only 2 minutes to melt this shea butter. So I'm going to put it back in and allow it to melt fully. Now it's fully melted. We then move to the next step. Here is our aloe vera gel and shea butter. I'm going to turn the shea butter, the melted shea butter, into the aloe vera. You see, it's now liquid. After turning it in, I add some Jamaican black castor oil. I add 2 tablespoons of Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil is an oil I can't do without in my hair regimen. It's so good. And this is how it looks. Sunny Isle Jamaican black castor oil. That's the one I use. There are other types of Jamaican black castor oils, but this is the one I've chosen to use. The next oil I use is avocado oil. Avocado oil is good for stubborn hair types. If your hair feels too hard and it's very difficult to manipulate, avocado oil will help it become softer. So this is the avocado oil I use. I got it from Jumia online and it's very cheap. It's not too expensive. Then I add my peppermint oil. This peppermint oil is 1 liter. Usually I add few drops of peppermint oil. Sometimes it could be just 4 drops, sometimes it could be up to 10 drops. It depends on my mood. But for this video my mood was good, so I added plenty drops. Using a mixer, we mix until the consistency becomes thick. Like, let's say it becomes milky, okay? We mix for a very long time continuously until it becomes thick. If it doesn't get thick, just leave it for some time. The shea butter will solidify. Remember, we melted our shea butter. We melted it so that it will mix with other oils. So we are going to use this mixer to mix. You see, it's gradually thickening up. Continue to mix until it gets that thick consistency. This is how it looks when it's cold. So now I'm going to show you how I apply it to my hair. Hello, so I'll be showing you how I use it on my hair. The first thing I do is to take off my braids. Most times my hair is braided. I combed it yesterday, so after combing it I did this on my hair. Okay, so this is my hair now. If you are new to this channel, I started my hair growth journey from the scratch. Hair journey is more interesting if you followed it from the beginning. So it would be nice if you go and see where we started from. Okay, so this is the water, applying it on my hair. Okay, it's a journey. It's good to follow it up so that you will understand how the growth has been so far. So the next thing I do after applying water is to apply the conditioner, homemade conditioner. It's very nice for the hair. You can use it as leave-in conditioner. You can also use it as a deep conditioner. It's your choice. So I rub it on my edges. I apply it to my edges for it to stay moisturized. So I'll just finger the tangle. I combed it yesterday, so I see no need to comb it again today. Okay. After applying it, I'm going to weave it back up. I'm very proud of my hair, sincerely. So you guys you can go and check my hair growth journey out. You see that I've come a long way. Next thing I do is to weave it back up. Okay, the front part of my hair is not as long as the back of my hair, but it's still okay. I also washed it yesterday, so I'm just going to leave it there. Let it stay in my hair until I'm ready to wash it. Okay, apply some water. If I'm having difficulty taking down the braids. I apply some water to stop it from breaking. So this is the hair at the back. Apply some water again. And apply the deep conditioner. This is how I do all of them. I weave all of them, and in the end I leave it. Sometimes I use it as leave-in conditioner, sometimes I use it as deep conditioner. It depends on what I want to achieve. You can do same. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. Bye.